Now tell me if this is not a crazy looking rock. It looks like it could be some kind of whale or something coming out of the ocean. This is up near Crowder's Mountain here. Isn't this odd? Wow. If I do remember seeing this when I was a kid, I forgot about it because this is amazing. It looks like some kind of ocean creature. Wow, that's neat. Look at that. That is amazing. And this is only 15 minutes from my home. This is fucking cool. I've never seen this before. And actually, even over here, you can, like to the left side right here, you can see it like it looks like an eye. And then a big nostril. Like some kind of creature from the sea or something. Wow. That's cool. And here we go, some more rocks. Rocks. All over the place around here. They're everywhere. Why people don't post stuff like this on YouTube more, I don't know. Here we go with another big band of rocks up here. More over here. Like I said, this one looks like some kind of creature from the sea. This has got to be the coolest one though. Maybe it's because of the way the sun's shining on it. But it's so cool. And then go over here. Got some more rocks, of course. More rocks. More cliffs, more rocks. This is the other side of it. Oh, that one looks like a creature too. On the other side. Wow. It has been a long time since I've been in this area. Wow, that looks like some kind of creature too. Okay. All this is right off Dixon Skull Road in Kings Mountain. If you want to go to it. Bethlehem Road. If you live in West Gastonia like I do, you can be here in 15 minutes. Pretty cool though. Oh, here's something that looks like an alligator head to me. It's pretty cool too. Anyway, got more rocks down here too. Don't know if anybody's ever posted this kind of stuff on YouTube, but I may be the first one because I find it interesting. How these rocks are shaped like animals and stuff. And it's pretty cool. It's like a big lizard laying up there. And on the other side, it looks like some kind of sea creature. Well, other than that, there ain't much to see on this side right now that I can find. If I do find anything else, I will let you know.